guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. The 10,000 of reviews of this hotel can go to Advika.com. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the excellent. Category 1, see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 9. Room category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 10 type of room is available on Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are amenities and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this hotel,